What's going on, everybody? I'm pretty excited. I think I just got a notification that a package just got here for the Cadillac. Let's take a look, figure out what it is. There it is. ZZP, ordered it 2 days ago, pretty quick shipping from Michigan to Ohio. Let's open this thing up, take a look. All right, let's take a look at it. Brought it inside. What could it be? ZZP, long, slender box. You guys probably know what it is already. New catted downpipe. Bought it for the ATS. I picked up this car about 3 months ago. Only mod so far, smoked corner lenses. Did that pretty much right away. We have a few things planned for the car, nothing crazy, still has factory warranty. Powertrain for a few more years. We'll see. You guys know how it goes though. 1 mod, 2 mods, 3, 4, then you've got to buy a new daily. Let's take a look. Let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, my biggest question is what's inside. Didn't see any great reviews, any unboxings or anything like that. I think I'm going to probably reuse the factory seals, but we'll see. We'll see what's included, see if it's good, see if we need to upgrade. And if I could open, it would be even better. All right, we're getting through it now. We're getting there. Okay, it's finally open. All right, packing slip, sure enough. Seems pretty well packaged in here. There we go. A little difficult one-handed, but we're getting there. And there it is. I did go with the high flow cat. I'm in Ohio and my county requires full emissions testing, so figured I would be environmentally conscious as well and see how it goes. Everything else is stock on the car, like I mentioned, except for those taillight or the corners. And then we have some hardware here. Let's take a look what's in the hardware. And let's hope I don't miss. Cut my leg open. All right, let's see. What do we have? What do we have? Empty? Empty. Gaskets, I'm guessing. Installation instructions. Stainless steel downpipe for ATS 2.0, inline 4. So it goes over our parts. O2 housing, nuts, gasket, anti-seize, and a 2-bolt gasket. We can see, remove the factory heat shield, undo the top bolt. I mean, this whole thing's like 4 or 5 bolts, so I hope I can get it. Installation video coming next. Make sure you remove the bolts, same thing. Put the bolts back, same thing. And here's the invoice. All right. Let's take a look at the gaskets. We'll open this up real quick. Or not. I'm thinking a tripod would be a pretty good investment here real quick. And we have some gaskets. Now, Some people have complained that the aftermarket gaskets leaked, so we'll take a look at the factory ones. Car only has about 29,000 miles, so they should be still in really good shape. I know one of the things that ZZP claims is the new one is much lighter, so we'll put this one on the schedule when we do the installation. We will weigh the aftermarket downpipe, we'll weigh the factory one, might save a couple pounds as well, so hopefully turbo spools a little faster, a little bit better sound, maybe. I don't want too much louder, maybe just a little bit deeper, but really I'm looking for faster turbo spool, maybe move the power band a little bit. Hopefully we don't die after 5,000 RPM. Let me take a few other shots and we'll get this installed in the next video.